Hi everyone, Yen here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a large canvas, 80 by 80 centimeters, gallery wrapped. I can't show it to you right now because, yeah, I had to change my setup in order to be able to film it from way up above because it's so big. I was watching Nick's premiere yesterday of an 80 centimeters by 1 meter canvas that he was doing a multiple FlipCup pour on, and he kind of challenged the people watching, said I challenge you to do one. So I took him up on the challenge and we'll be trying today. Right now I just wanted to show you my colors. When I am filming the video I will not be talking because it's going to be a major undertaking to manage an 80 by 80, so and I really don't have much room either, so I can't really move around, so not gonna talk much or not gonna talk at all while I'm filming it. So let me show you the colors that I'll be using. This one is Amsterdam Pearl Blue. I've never used it before, so I'm very anxious to see how it actually reacts, because right now it looks white to me and probably also to you, but it's pearl blue, so let's see how that reacts in the pour. This one is Amsterdam's Yellowish Green, one of my go-to colors when I want something to pop, so it's going to be interesting to see how that works in the FlipCup pour. And this one is Amsterdam's, let me just get it, Amsterdam, it's the weirdest name ever, Caput Imortuum Violet. Anyway, yeah, so violet, basically. And this one is Amsterdam Prussian Blue. You can see they all leave amount and amount. This one I finally got hold of. Again, one of Nick's favorite colors, and he recommended that I try it. So it's Quinacridone Nickel Azo Gold. It's a really nice color. It's very thick paint. I had to add more water to this one than the others, but yeah, it's gonna be very interesting to see that one. This is a mix of Pebe Studios acrylics, iridescent green iridescent green blue, and Amsterdam's turquoise blue. So I mixed those two to get this color. So I'm hoping that it might have a little shine without it being too shiny. And this one is the Amsterdam Naphthol Red Medium, and I mixed in some DecoArt Metallics, which one was it? Rose gold. I mixed in to make it a little darker. And last but not least, this is Amsterdam Titanium White. That will be mixed in with the colors, but also be used as for the negative space. Did I mention that? No, I don't think so. The 24 karat gold by DecoArt. I wasn't gonna use it, but I probably will. So yeah, those were the colors. Let me just get set up and take you down on the canvas and enjoy.